Describing My Family by Judy Andrea Cerón Tunuala. Personal presentation. I am Judy Andrea Cerón Tunuala. I am assistant administrator. I am from Silvia Cauca. I am 34 years old. I am a student psychology. My hobby is write records. My favorite sport is basketball. I live my family. My father is Luis Ángel Cerón Serna. He is from Silvia Cauca. He is 60 years old. My mother is Nancy Tunuala Solís. She is from Silvia Cauca. She is 63 years old. My daughter is Juliani Bracamonte Cerón. She is from Silvia Cauca. She is 3 years old. She is a student kindergarten. Thank you very much.